Microsoft's Surface Duo series came with a different approach compared to the other foldable smartphones due to having two separate screens. While we have been waiting for official news from Microsoft about its upcoming Surface 203, rumors suggest it might not stick with its original dual-screen design, but instead it's expected to come with a similar display design as the Galaxy Default 4 and Oppo Find N2. Let's find out more in today's video. So, by ditching the dual separate screen, Microsoft was coming up with a device like Android Foldable, and it seems like an end for the Surface Duo lineup, which actually makes sense, because if you want to compete with the foldable smartphone market, you need to come up with something that users love to use. According to a Windows Central report, after a long year of experimentation, Microsoft decided to not come up with a dual screen device, but instead it will have a more traditional foldable design with a 180-degree hinge. So, it will have an internal foldable screen and external cover display. It's also rumored that the tech giant has already finalized the dual-screen design of the Surface 203, and it was supposed to come at the end of 2023 as the upcoming Surface Duo. Not just that, they also included a larger edge-to-edge screen, wireless charging, and other improvements. However, in the end, Microsoft apparently makes the concept and focused on delivering a single-screen foldable design. Also, there's no concrete information on the specifications, but we can expect the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 as its chipset to provide top-notch performance. Also, we can hope for a triple camera array with an improved camera system, as it's getting a form factor change. So, it might come with a different name, but there is no official information about it, and it's too early to tell. Again, as Microsoft is planning to move away from traditional dual design, the company might take the opportunity to rebrand the line. Nonetheless, the report says it's still considered a Surface 203. Also, Microsoft is working on software that's designed to offer the best Android user experience. With this software, Microsoft aims to build an ecosystem experience between their Android and Windows PC that's similar to iPhone and Mac. So, the idea is here to make Microsoft Android devices stand out from other Android handsets. And if Microsoft comes up with a better user experience by creating an ecosystem, we think this is another reason to consider a foldable smartphone from Microsoft. Moreover, Microsoft is eager to expand its Land Defender smartphone offerings in addition to a foldable device. Not just that, the company is even working on a mainstream slab-style Surface phone to keep the foldable device as an enthusiast product. In short, what Microsoft is planning for its upcoming foldable is significant. Also, Microsoft might come up with its own hardware and Android OS to deliver a better user experience. So, we're just hoping it could be the device that can take on foldable devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 from Samsung. Again, based on the report, we don't think that the Surface 203 is going to happen, and Microsoft might come up with a new foldable lineup with a different brand name. So, that's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.